Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. For all things vegan and cruelty free, mainly beauty. I've been doing this video, I believe, every year since I've had a YouTube channel. Since my first video I posted, well, it was in January of 2016, but I filmed it in 2015. I think I filmed it on Christmas. And yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna get into what's closest to me. My brother and sister-in-law, well, we did like a Secret Santa thing. Got me, and by the way, this is not bragging, I'm appreciative of everything I got. This is like, there's only like one like extravagant thing, but if you have like super fancy things, great. If you don't have anything, great. If you got experiences or just time with your family, or if you don't celebrate Christmas or any of the holidays, you just got time to yourself, that's fine too. Anyway, just wanted to say that. It's not bragging or anything like that. I got this water bottle. It's from High Peach Lane. It's women owned. I think it's a disability owned. But this is cute textured water bottle. Has a straw. Came with a nail file. That's kind of interesting. And then my husband got me, well, I picked this out for myself. I wanted to try Juliana's perfumes. These came in two separate orders. I guess they shipped from two different places. And Alicia Budget Beauty recommended them. I've seen some other fragrance channels and creators talk about them too. I picked out Strawberry Sandalwood Kiss, and I got these on, I don't know if it was Black Friday or around that time. I've been really liking this. It smells fancy. That's what I'll say. And then I got, this is not my favorite so far, the Caramel Blossom. I'm just smelling more floral, and that's not really my jam, but anyway, it's not bad. It's just not my jam. And then this one I don't know which one's my favorite, but this is the Vanilla Crumble one. It's sweet, but not like sickly sweet. I don't know. Just it's like a cozy sweet scent. And then with each perfume, or actually I got 4 samples. So I got Heaven's Reflection, which I sprayed that on, and even my husband was like, ooh, that smells good, and my daughter. And then Veil of Secrets, Valencia Grove, and Ethereal Bloom. And then my mom got me, it was like not in order, she got me these Caraway oven mitts. I think last year we got Caraway pots and pans. So I don't know, I like how, I don't know, they feel like they're gonna be nice. I got, my brother-in-law also got me, he always gets me hats. So I got a hat, like a, you know, it's actually a pretty big beanie. I guess I can roll it up with the pom-pom. And then some really soft fleece pants, like cozy jammies. And then I got, my mother-in-law always gets me dish towels, so I got some dish towels. I guess they're wintry. I don't know. I just use dish towels. We don't buy paper towels in this house. I know that drives her crazy and my mom crazy, but I have not bought paper towels 6-7 years. I don't know. And we don't do napkins either. We just have like reusable things. And then she did try with this, my mother-in-law, but they're not cruelty free, but I'm still going to use it. I have had a dupe of this, the Clinique Happy. So anyway, I've never had it ever before. I wish they were cruelty free, but it came with the, let's see, body cream, like a sampler. And I know this is like a classic scent. Like I've had a dupe of it. I don't think I still have it, from Oil Perfumery. So just a little sampler. And then I don't believe they're cruelty free, even though they used to be. Bath and Body Works. Again, my mother-in-law tried. This is the Vanilla Romance hand cream. And then she got me a Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer in Market Mango. And then that was my stocking from my mother-in-law. I had 2 stockings. My parents, well, actually 3. My husband's, my in-laws, and my parents. And I'm not including like I got a little bit of money from certain people. And my mom, or is that, hold on, I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, they're downstairs. I'll show them though. I got some tights. Snag, my friend Millie Anderson, she has a YouTube channel. I'll link it down below. She recommended them. I feel like I've seen them before, but they're supposed to be snag resistant. And I think I got the warm one, so I have 3 of those. So I was kind of surprised, but I also was like, oh yeah, I did send this to you. I sent it mostly for my mom to buy them for herself. But I'm happy to get them. It's wearing tights with skirts and dresses, especially like when it's cold. And then from my mom, I got the Shark Flex Style, which I'm so excited about. I did my hair yesterday, but I was not doing it right, even though I filmed it. So here, I'll include me probably doing it completely wrong. But I am really, really happy with it so far, and I'm excited to use it more. And I want to get the frizz smoother thing. I just got some new hair products my husband and I tried, but my mom was like, I'm glad she didn't get it for herself, because I have a lot of hair. Even though my hair is short, I have a lot of hair. I have it half up right now, and my mom has finer hair, so I'm excited about that. And then I use the wraps, and I like it. You put your finger here and it's not super hot, instead of like, obviously if you touch it here it's hot, but I like that you can put it up here and this part is not hot, and the cool shot button and stuff like that. And then so it came with the, I'll just show you right now. It came with the paddle brush, which looks kind of like, I don't know, I guess make your hair straight, blow dry it straight. The wraps for like the left side and the right side, smooth into frizz and add volume. Like tons of attachments. And I also got the style concentrator. I know there's like a diffuser, the smoothing thing, which I think you can only get, there's like a bunch of different models. I think you can only get the frizz, whatever it's called, again, put it here, on Sephora. So I'm gonna get it at Sephora. And then I am trying this for the first time today, and it lasted somewhat until I was like, what is that smell? Why do I smell? Only certain deodorants have worked for me, especially natural deodorants. I haven't used a non-natural deodorant. I can't remember. I've been cruelty free for, I want to say 10 years. If not, it's like 9 years. But my mom got me and my husband, the Salt and Stone cologne, or look, Salt and Stone deodorants, and it's not horrible, like, but I can't imagine these during a hot day. Like right now it's in the 20s where I am, and I'm wearing this all day, like 12 hours. And I want to say like maybe 8 to 10 hour mark, I was like, hold on. Yeah, it's not, I don't smell awful, but I could smell the deodorant this morning and I can't smell it now. It doesn't help with sweat or anything like that, which I have not found a natural deodorant that does in the US. I've seen some of them in the UK. I like Fussy, which I have a link down below. If you do use the Wild deodorants, they have like the same component. So if you don't want to buy another, whatever it is, component deodorant thing, you can just use your Wild one or whatever fits in that with the Fussy ones. Those are my favorite. I know Wild has more scents, but I really like the Fussy ones more. And I don't care. I mean, I do care that they have like a parent company, but I want brands to make money, okay? Even the small ones. So anyway, I got the scents Santal and Vetiver. And I got the scent Saffron and Cedar. I wanted to like them. And like I said, I still will use them, but I wouldn't say they're as good as Fussy or Wild or most of the natives. My mom also got us some body washes. We got the Saffron Cedar and the Santal Vetiver body washes from Salt and Stone. You can get them at Ulta, I believe. I think that's it. Maybe I'll just look at their website. And then I hope we got 2 other deodorants. They'll probably pop up somewhere. And then I got some candy. These are my stockings, by the way. The vegan Reese's. And these are, oh, this is so good. My husband's already got into this, I can tell. The Cocomel's Toffee Bark. It's made with creamy oat milk. It's delicious. I love toffee. And then I got a Starbucks gift card. And then I had not tried these before. I think these are from Whole Foods. The Boa Best Super Fruit Bites. these. I got the Bob and mango and some other, again, I'll probably pop up. And then some vegan lints, and then the vegan Unreal dark chocolate peanut butter cups. Not all of them are vegan, you have to check. And then my mom got me some pens, and they're refillable, so I'm excited about that. They're the Dr. Grip multifunctioning pilot pens. I got the green, blue, red, and black. And my mom got me, something, I think the chocolate is melting. Something's melting in here. What is this? I don't know. Something's melting in here. I got this Sugar Plum Snowflake bath bomb. I don't know why something is melting in here, but I was like, oh, is it a toffee? I don't know. It doesn't feel like anything's melting. I got the Badger Fair Trade Organic Cocoa Butter Creamy Cocoa or Cacao Cocoa Butter Lip Balm. And I think that's from Whole Foods. Yeah, it's B Corp certified, Leaping Bunny. And then got the, I'm gonna take some of this stuff out. I don't want it getting all yucky. Making a mess. Oh, what is leaking? Something's leaking. Something is leaking. Ew. So gross. I don't know what is leaking in here, but you can tell I got some candy. And then, oh, there's another Salt and Stone. The neroli and basil. And the boba or baobab mixed berry bites and Sour Patch Kids. Sour Patch Kids and Swedish Fish. I know I have the extreme ones. I'm missing something. And then lots of bath bombs. My mother-in-law got me some hyaluronic acid under eye pads and foot mask pads. And I'm missing some things from downstairs, I can tell. So I'm going to show them now. Forgot to include this, the Salt and Stone Saffron and Cedar Body Mist. The Dr. Bronner's Lemon Lime Organic Lip Balm. Some more pens, a deodorant from Salt and Stone, the Bergamot and Neroli, or Hinoki. I'm losing my sight, getting worse as I'm wearing contacts. The Salt and Stone Black Rose and Oud. And that is what I got for Christmas. I'm grateful for everything, and I love seeing my youngest open everything. And I gave my oldest a couple things early. She is with her dad for Christmas, but she'll be home in a couple of days. Depending on when I'm posting this, I'm trying to post this like same day or the next day. And yeah, that's my favorite part, is seeing my kids open their gifts or seeing people that I've gifted things. I love seeing their reactions, and you know, hopefully they like what they. I try to be really practical when I'm buying things for myself and other people, that they're actually going to use them, instead of, oh, I think they'll like this, but they've never really mentioned this. Also, I pick up on that. If they've mentioned it, I go off a gift list, all that kind of stuff. So if you want to know what I got people, you can ask me and let me know what your favorite gift was that you've ever received. It doesn't have to be Christmas, it can be anything. And something that you wanted but you didn't get, or something that you wanted and you did get. Or that you gifted yourself, because who doesn't want to treat themselves? We all deserve gifts for ourselves that we pick out, like my fragrances. And yeah, I'm excited for what's going to come out next year. And also, I will be reviewing some of these products as time goes on. So everyone's having a great, safe, happy holidays. And I will see you in my next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And hype. If you want to hype, don't pay for a hype. But if you want to hype this video, if you enjoyed it, I would really greatly appreciate it. And you can check out some of the codes down below for some money off. Some of them are affiliated and some of them are not. And yeah, happy holidays, and I hope to see you in my next video.